Hello everyone and welcome back. This new series will be about house remodeling by amateurs. We're not professional designers, builders or remodelers by any means. So hopefully these remodeling videos will save you some time and troubles and hopefully money as well. Okay, our next remodel space was a Mudroom. You know, that nice, cute place by a back door, functional. However, we got this. Strange window, weird wires. To fix all that was actually quite easy. We closed the window and fixed all of the small issues, paint of course, and light, switches, outlets, so that all looks good. Now let's talk about the issue. So when I took out the original trim, I found this. There was about, I would say, at least half an inch up to an inch gap between a wall and a floor. So it was pretty much an open space. And if you are buying an older house, and if you have a chance to take a look at the floor trim, do it, because it will save you some troubles. In any case, I ended up filling this space with foam, but before I did that, so I had a guest. In one corner, as you can see, the damage is pretty bad. I'm not even sure how that happened. In any case, we're planning to renew tiles, and for now I'm gonna leave it as is because a couple of things come to mind. First is to cut the bottom, maybe I would say 3 to 4 inches, make sheetrock strips and install them there, and then plaster everything. Or when the new floor happens, just put a new trim which is actually gonna cover all that nonsense. In any case, for now it's gonna be like this for a while. And finally, let's take a look what happened at the end. So this is where we at right now. A new mudroom. Oh, don't think we're done with the mudroom. The next video will be about the door. That was issue number 2 within the mudroom. So stay tuned and thank you.